Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, let's talk about one of the most powerful natural ingredients found in every Indian kitchen, turmeric, also known as Pasupu. Turmeric is not just a spice. It's a time-tested Ayurvedic remedy that offers multiple health and skincare benefits. 1. For glowing skin, turmeric acts as a natural antiseptic. When mixed with curd or honey and used as a face pack, it helps remove impurities and brings out a natural glow. 2. Heals wounds and cuts. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, applying turmeric paste on minor wounds or skin irritations helps speed up healing. 3. Relief from cold and cough. A pinch of turmeric in warm milk or mixed with honey is a traditional remedy for sore throats and colds. 4. Supports women's health. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation and menstrual discomfort, making it an excellent natural solution for women's wellness. 5. Natural blood purifier. Regular intake of turmeric in small amounts helps cleanse the blood and boost overall immunity. Turmeric truly is nature's golden healer. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay natural, stay healthy with Aruru Naturals.